So what is the labour illusion? The labour illusion is when customers find waiting more tolerable when they can actually see the work behind the scenes, and they tend to value the service or the product even more than they would if they didn't see it. A fantastic example of this is when you go to Starbucks. They require their baristas to steam the milk for each and every drink individually. This process increases the wait time for the customer, but it helps the customer value the drink more as they can actually see what's going on behind the scenes. Another example of this is when Apple implements its automated voice response system, which is actually pre-recorded, but also they implement the sound of typing behind the scenes. This creates the impression that the digital operator is physically keying in the caller's query. This is a really powerful approach, and you can literally use it in your business right now without any upfront costs. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.